Hey, what's up guys, WRG, we're in a video, and today I'm going to tell you a little story about this blade that I have here. As you can see, it's a MicroTech Scarab, and it's supposed to be, a very nice knife. So honestly, I don't have much experience with MicroTech. I've never owned one before. So I saw this at the gun show, and I thought, it'd be a good pickup. So the guy had it there, I asked him how much. He said $100, and I was like, man, $100 for this knife? That is a pretty good deal. He said he didn't have a box for it and he didn't have the sheath that it normally comes with. So I was like, okay, maybe he's giving me a discount for that. Because normally this blade, I believe, runs maybe $300 up, all MicroTechs in general. This particular model might run as much as $500. So I said, man, that's a great deal. I don't really care about the box. So I go to check it out, and this is what it looks like. And then I go to open it, and you hear that weird springing sound. So I said, maybe this knife needs some repair. I could honestly, I don't mind, taking it and sending it to MicroTech and then having it repaired. And then I have a brand new MicroTech after that. Even if the repairs cost money, it's fine. I think for $100 for this knife, it's still worth it. So that's why I really considered it. And the guy told me like, yeah, I bought it in bulk, so I was able to get a really good deal on these knives. And that's why I'm able to pass on the savings to you. So I said, let me think about it. And I did for a few minutes, and I came back and I decided to purchase it. Picked it up for $100. Got home, I was really excited. I took pictures to send to my friend, and the first thing I realized is that the serial numbers don't match. So you guys here see 10 out of 2004, and then you'll notice here it says 4 out of 2005. So I was like, that's really weird. Does MicroTech even do that? Is this like a repaired knife or something? So did a little research and found out that this knife is 100% counterfeit. So I basically got scammed today at the gun show. So, I don't want to talk down on gun shows because with other vendors, I had really great experiences. Actually, I'm going to be working with some of the vendors from the gun show here in Florida, and I'll be demoing some of their products, doing some reviews. So a lot of the vendors were really cool, really nice, honest people, but I just happened to go to the wrong booth that day. So I have here an image of the actual knife to compare. So you could see some of the differences, some of the similarities. Obviously the markings and everything are a lot different. I didn't do my homework when I bought it. It does have the 3-hole screw here. They were able to do that. But, obviously I didn't do my homework on it, and I honestly should have. But it was more of a spontaneous purchase. I trusted that guy for some reason that I've never met before. And just goes to show you how things sometimes don't always work out the way you expect. So you can see a lot of different features between the two. Very clear differences. Even in this back piece here, I have a few different close-ups you guys could compare it to. But, the colors are not the same. And yeah, generally not a great experience. I was pretty frustrated by it, to be honest, but I guess you live and you learn. The gun show, they do have another one tomorrow of another day. So I'm considering to go back there and just, maybe see if I can get my money back. But honestly, it's a long shot. I paid cash. I don't have a receipt. The guy could just deny it. And the type of seller that would sell counterfeits like this and try to sell them off as genuine, probably won't be honest about it anyway. So I guess a tough lesson learned, but just wanted to share with you guys. Another characteristic I noticed is that I was looking online. I did some research, of course, after I got ripped off. You hear that horrible springing sound. Is that the serial numbers on these fakes are actually all the same, or a lot of them are. So I guess whoever made these fakes produced them all with the exact same serial number. So, and also another thing I noticed that someone pointed out to me is that this part that says DE, that actually stands for double edge. So it should be like a dagger. And obviously this is not a dagger, because a dagger would obviously have a blade on both sides. So that's definitely not it. So a few obvious telling features. I guess I let my greed get over me, where I thought maybe I got a really good find and I got really lucky, and try to justify it. But when something's too good to be true, sometimes it simply just is. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe. I got plenty of videos coming through in the future, so stay tuned. Subscribe to check those out. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my B channel, which is Mindset and Tactics, and also check me out on Patreon. So thanks for watching. I'll leave some links below Amazon links for different knives that I do have, so you guys can check those out. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. WRG out.